Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco, Department of Tourism, Mabuhay. COO of the Tourism Promotions Board, Margarita Montemayor Nograles. Thank you for your honorable presence at our event. Representing the Honorable Mayor of Pasay City, Mr. Peter Eric Prado. Shalimar Hofer Tamano, Undersecretary of Department of Tourism. And our foreign delegate ambassadors, Embassy of Laos, First Secretary and Deputy Chief of Mission, Mr. Mo Bloom. Embassy of Myanmar, Minister Councillor, Mr. San Yu Kiao. Embassy of Thailand, our good friend of Pasay, Ambassador Excellency Tul Triasot. From the Embassy of India, Head of Economic and Commerce Wing, Councillor Dr. Sadri Alam and his marketing assistant. Also our special mention to our kind sponsors, Union Bank, Mr. Mukul Sukhani, EVP. And GCash, Mr. Willie D. Ocampo, Head of G-Insure. Of course, our national carrier, Philippine Airlines, Captain Stanley Nang, President. For our technology partners, our heartfelt thanks to Mr. Joseph Chua, President. Distinguished guests, dignitaries from the DOT and TPB family and its attached agencies, guests, esteemed colleagues and fellow tourism enthusiasts, and our beloved stakeholders, our exhibitors present here today. On behalf of Philippine Tour Operators Association, with your PhilTour Board of Trustees, we extend a very warm welcome to all of you on this 35th Philippine Travel Mart, the longest running premier travel event that brings together the brightest minds and most passionate hearts in the tourism industry. A round of applause to all of you. This year, we gather under the theme of Next Gen Tourism, Connecting Cultures, Shaping the Future. This theme encompasses the spirit of innovation and collaboration that drives our tourism industry marching forward. As we navigate a world reshaped by unprecedented challenges and opportunities, we must embrace a new era of tourism that is sustainable, inclusive, and technologically advanced. We must also harness the power of technology to enhance the traveler experience while simultaneously protecting our natural and cultural heritage. As you have observed, when you are coming in, you have electronically issued tickets. You are given a barcode and you can come inside the booth. And all our ticketing is now also online for the visitors who will be visiting today, tomorrow, and day after. The 35th Philippine Travel Mart is a testament of PhilTour's commitment to the next generation tourism stakeholders. This is a platform for sharing knowledge, forging partnerships, and showcasing the best of what we have in the 7,641 sun-kissed islands of Philippines. Here you will find the vibrancy and the tapestry of destination, culinary delights, amazing experiences, and innovations that reflect the dynamism and resilience of the Philippine tourism industry. With your help, let us magnify this event to connect with like-minded individuals, forge new partnerships, and strengthen existing collaborations to drive the growth and innovation in the tourism industry. We should share best practices, learn from each other's experiences, and adopt the new technologies to enhance our offerings to our customers. Showcasing the Philippines' unique offerings, promote our diverse destination, our beautiful cultural heritage, and the warm Filipino hospitality to this world. As we embark on this journey of next-gen tourism, let us remember that our success lies in our collective efforts. Let us work together and a future where tourism is a force for good of the country, of the people, connecting cultures, fostering understanding, and building a brighter future for our future generations. Thank you all for taking time to be with us today, and a very warm and gracious welcome to all of you to this beautiful event, the 35th Philippine Travel Mart. Mabuhay! Love the Philippines! Mabuhay!